I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the actual CP/M system image and a matching emulator so you can run the old OS on modern hardware. First, place the CP/M img in a dedicated folder and install the emulator. This isolates files and avoids permission issues. Once done, verify you have the correct CP/M BIOS/BDOS pair because mismatch prevents booting. Make sure the emulator version supports the CP/M flavor you have, since different builds expect different disk formats and sector layouts. Next, configure the emulator so CP/M can boot and interact. Open the config and assign the CP/M image to drive A, and set the CPU model the image expects. Incorrect CPU emulation causes crashes. Then configure terminal emulation and keyboard mapping so commands and editors behave normally. You should also allocate appropriate RAM and define secondary drives or mapped host folders, because CP/M tools often rely on multiple logical drives to load programs and save data. Finally, boot CP/M inside the emulator and watch startup messages to confirm the system loaded. Once the prompt appears, run dir or pip to list files and test basic file I/O. This proves disks and mappings are correct. If programs fail to run, reboot and adjust drive geometry or swap to a different BIOS build, these are common causes. As a troubleshooting tip, if the disk won't boot, convert the image format or try an alternate emulator. Format mismatch or BIOS incompatibility are typical failure points.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.